Coco, just remember center coverage. So we have tapered the sides. They don't go all the way back because the client is focused on the center part. So this one is for when you do want to wear a silk closure. The indentation goes behind the ear. Even though this one is tapered, it still goes just like the shape of behind the ear. So this will go on the client forward. Okay, so just remember that the shape, this shape, the horseshoe shape goes towards the back. This is designed so that when you do apply it, it all gets closed up and it's flat as can be, okay? So we have one that is used for closures, and then we have one that is used without closures. You just add it onto the client this way. So the middle one is centered to the ear. So the Coco, center coverage, tapered edges.